What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you with another lead. Okay. Um, this lead is brought to us by a company called Paper Education, and Paper Education is looking for an executive assistant. So all my executive assistants out there who are living in the United States or Canadian region, this one's for you. It's not completely international as previous leads I've shared. I try to get leads out there that anyone can apply from any country or apply to from any country. But this one is specific to the US and Canada. Okay. So it is remote, but not 100% international. So by that, I mean worldwide. Okay. This is international, but it's just relegated to the US and Canada. All right. Now, today is Tuesday, January 18th, 2022, and it is currently 12:12 p.m., just past noon. Noon. All right. And if you want to know more about Paper Education, then you can press this link when you come to this page right there. All right. All right. Now, again, this will be remote within the US or Montreal. So a little bit about this company. Driven by the mission to democratize education, Paper is the largest provider of educational support, supporting millions of students through partnerships with thousands of school districts. Paper helps deliver true educational equity through their category-leading educational support system that offers virtual access to 24/7 tutors and essay reviewers. Founded in 2014, Paper philosophically believes that all students should be given the tools and resources to reach their academic potential, independent of socioeconomic status, geography, language, or other barriers. We are headquartered in Montreal, Quebec, with remote employees across the US and Canada. Paper is proud to have been named by GSV as one of the most transformational growth companies in digital learning. Now, you'll be reporting to the executive assistant team lead. The executive assistant will support a C-suite executive. All right. Now, your responsibilities will include completing a broad variety of administrative tasks for the C-suite executive, including managing an extremely active calendar of appointments, ensuring submission of expense receipts are completed in a timely manner, composing and preparing correspondence that is sometimes confidential, and this is key, sometimes confidential, so they need someone who can keep their mouth shut. And when we say your mouth, not just your mouth, but your fingers, keep your fingers quiet, meaning you're not going to text people and take pictures of stuff and send to people. They don't want any of that. They don't want any of that. All right. You'll arrange complex and detailed travel plans, which means you will have access to credit cards, you'll have access to payment information, people's payment gateways. So you have to be pretty solid. Okay. You'll arrange their itineraries and agendas and compiling documents for travel-related meetings. You'll act as a dynamic support system and get involved with and assist with projects as needed. You'll plan, coordinate, and ensure the C-suite executive's schedule is followed and respected. Provide a gatekeeper and gateway role, creating win-win situations for direct access to the C-suite executive. You'll research, prioritize, and follow up on incoming issues and concerns addressed to the C-suite executive, including those of a sensitive or confidential nature. You determine appropriate course of action, referral, or response. You prioritize conflicting needs, handle matters expeditiously, proactively, and follow through on projects to successful completion, often with deadline pressures. You'll assist in coordinating the agenda of senior management team meetings and offsites and all staff meetings. All right. So because of the level of leadership that you'll be working with, they do require a minimum of 5 years of experience in admin support. Minimum 5 years. Okay. Everybody wants to start. Many people complain that people want people with 10 years experience, but they're not willing to give them the experience to get them to 10 years. Okay, in this case, they definitely want somebody who's been around the block a few times. Okay. Strong proficiency in email and calendar applications. You should have exceptional organizational skills that reflect ability to perform and prioritize multiple tasks seamlessly with excellent attention to detail. Strong interpersonal skills and the ability to build relationships. My bad. Strong interpersonal skills and the ability to build relationships with stakeholders, clients, and team members. So it's not necessarily that you're the most. Okay, yeah, they want somebody who is good with people. Okay, you'll be working remotely, but you'll still be part of a team. And as the gatekeeper for a senior executive, you're going to be a reflection of that leader, right? They typically want someone who handles situations well, someone who can work well with others, especially with them, okay? And they want you to be able to have great people skills when working with stakeholders who are spending quite a bit of money to get things going, with clients and with other team members. A leader or a boss doesn't want to spend the time to have to help you sort out your bickering or your little squabbles with people or stuff like that. No leader has, okay, leaders will make time, but they'd rather not spend time doing stuff like that. And this is where experience comes in, knowing what to take on, what not to take on. If someone's being annoying, being able to just leave it alone, or how to tactfully handle situations. All right. Now they want you to have expert level written and verbal communication skills. All right. And so far that's it. You can ask more questions about what they're looking for in your interview, and I think that is a good idea because it shows your genuine interest in learning more about how you can fill that role. And to be honest, if you can't fill it after hearing what they have to say, that's fine. At least you know you'd have given your honest shot, right? And if it's for you, great. If it's not for you, great. I keep saying interviews are not just for the business to see if you are a good fit. It's also for you to see if they are a good fit for you. Now, if you think this is a good fit and you want to take your chances, press this button. Okay? Press that button, fill out the application, and all the best to you and yours. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share for more amazing ways to make money online. Stay safe. Have a good one. Peace.